Okay, I'm doing another test. See if this works, but I think this works clearly. I had to clean it. Someone came. I'm not dressed right now. Hope they don't see me, but apparently, if you can see from here, we're like flooded, and it's like extremely flooded. Apparently, someone decided to use all the water in Arizona, so I'm gonna kind of be stranded right here for a little bit. I don't feel like going outside and getting my shoes wet. Once I go outside, all my shoes and socks will be wet. Anyways, talk to you later, guys.